Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a photo book in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account. After logging in, you can see here a search bar. Just click here and write photo book and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many photo book templates here, which is hundreds of. Okay, you can see here many templates. You can choose one which is your choice preference and start customizing by yourself. Let's choose this one. So now if you want to customize this template, just click on customize this template. After clicking on this, your work will be here. Now you can customize all of these templates. Okay, you can delete pictures or add pictures here, or you can add pages here at the last. Okay guys, you can see here the plus sign. If you click on this, your page will be changed. I'm showing you one by one how. Let's choose first. If you want to choose if you want to change this picture and add your own picture here, just click on this and click backspace from your keyboard. It will be vanished, and then you can go to uploads, upload files, and choose a picture from your computer, and you can, after uploading your picture, it will be here like this. Then you can just press on it and you can automatically adjust here, but this doesn't look good. If you want to add a frame here, this will be good. Then go to elements, right here frame, press enter. You will find many photo frames here. Okay, so you can choose one and make it here. Here's the photo frame. Okay guys, or you can choose this one. You can choose any frame. Then how you can put a picture in this frame: go uploads, upload a file from your computer. After uploading, it will be here. Then click on this and just drag it with the mouse and it will be automatically adjusted. Okay, so I'm showing you for the basic tutorial. Just do it your own creativity. That's so easy. Just put your picture here and ignore my picture. Anyways, if you want to change these writings, this is our family. Just click on this and write anything you want. Family, or this is our circle, or anything. Family is good. So write your choose your picture here. If you want to change the background color, just click on this. Just click on this and go to background color and choose any colors from here. It will be change automatically. If you want to change this portion, the white portion, go to here, or if you want to delete it, just click on this bin. It will be deleted. Or if you want to undo it, just click on undo. It will be automatically reverted. Okay, let's go to picture 2. Same, if you want to change this picture, just click bin and delete. It will be deleted. And if you want to add any pictures here, add pictures like this. It will automatically adjust it. Just you have to go uploads and upload a file from your computer. Then it will be here. After uploading, it will be here. Then click and adjust it. It will be automatically adjusted. Okay, so if you want to change these writings, like I said you before, just double click and start writing. If you want to change the color, go to text color. Here the colors, all of colors. Sorry, you should have changed. Like okay, this is changed. So like this, you can change every portion. Okay, now after completing things, if you want to add any extra page, like you have more pictures but you want to add pages, so click on this plus and it will be white like this. Now if you want to add any pictures here, go to uploads. Before uploads, you can go elements and choose a frame for your picture. Like I'm choosing a frame. this frame, or this frame is so simple, this frame is good, or you can make it big by this. Okay guys, so then you can go to uploads and choose your picture here. Okay, if you don't want to upload your own picture but a picture from a custom picture, go to elements and write here any picture like you want to add birthday pictures. Then you will find many birthday icons here, or any you will find many birthday pictures here too. Just click on this and adjust automatically. Okay guys, now if you want to add any text here, like this white portion, go to text and you can see here many text. Okay, like this, just click on this and resize it with your mouse, and like this. If you want to change this text with your own writings, double click, backspace, it will be removed, and then write happy birthday or anything you can write. Okay, so now if you want to, I'm showing you for the basic tutorial, just do it your own self. And now if you want to add any heading, just click on heading, drag it down with the mouse, then you can write any headings, anything you can customize. Okay guys, that's so simple. So after completing your work, okay, if you want to change the background color, go here and you can see background color, like I show you before, change the background color. Okay, or you can go here and write any background like birthday background. You'll find many background colors. But it will not be like here. You have to delete it first, delete this too, then you can choose this one here. You can make this thing like this, adjust it or non-adjust it, that's up to you. Then you can go to elements, choose the frame, it will be here. Then you can upload picture from your computer, it will be uploaded, then you can adjust it here. Okay guys, so this is so simple. So if you want to add pictures like I showed you, you can add many, as much as you want, and start customizing by yourself. So guys, if you after completing your work, how you can download it, go to share button, you can see here download, click on download. After clicking on download, this all work will be downloaded in your computer. Or if you want to send it to someone in the email, just click here and write here anyone with the link, and then write here your email address, @gmail.com. After writing your email address, click on send. After clicking on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay, @gmail.com email address. So guys, this is how you can basically start customizing or make a photo book in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.